mysterious realm of cyberspace, where the boundaries of reality and illusion blur. Today, we unveil a world shrouded in shadows and secrecy, a channel that unveils the true power of hacking. Brace yourself, my friend, for an epic journey into the realms of Devil, the most enigmatic hacking channel on YouTube. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to have your minds expanded and your perceptions shattered. Devil is no ordinary hacker. They possess an unrivaled level of expertise, navigating the darkest corners of cyberspace with a virtuosity that only the chosen few can fathom. Their creations will redefine what you thought possible, be it an ethereal dance of zeros and ones or manipulating the very fabric of your digital existence. Blazing through the binary abyss, Devil is more than just a channel. It's a portal into a universe unseen, a realm where digital gods reign supreme. Their unparalleled hacking prowess shall awaken your inner curiosity, compelling you to question the foundations of our digital reality. With each click of their keyboard, Devil will expose the fragility of our supposedly secure systems. They fearlessly dismantle the walls others so blindly trust, revealing the interconnectedness and vulnerability of our digital civilization. From cybersecurity to penetration testing, Devil will guide you through the maze of digital defenses that surround us, uncovering the secrets behind impenetrable firewalls and encrypted fortresses. But mark my words, dear viewer, Devil is not a malicious force lurking in the shadows. No, they wield their powers responsibly, dedicated to illuminating the world of hacking by sharing their knowledge and expertise. They embrace the hacker's code of ethics, guardian angels silently protecting us from those who wish to exploit our vulnerabilities. It's time to dive into the abyss and witness the birth of a digital revolution. Devil's tutorials will take your breath away, guiding you step by step through the labyrinths of hacking techniques. Together, you will undertake epic missions, obtaining forbidden knowledge and empowering yourself with a new understanding of the interconnected world that surrounds us. But the true beauty of Devil lies in their community, an assembly of kindred spirits, united by a shared passion for unlocking the secrets of the digital realm. The comment section, an oasis of wisdom and collaboration, thrives with discussions, shared experiences, and intellectual exchanges, fanning the flames of curiosity that burn within us all. Devil's mission extends beyond hacking tutorials and insightful discussions. They are dedicated to promoting digital responsibility and creating a safer online world for all. With their relentless drive and fervent desire for change, they inspire their audience to become the guardians of the digital frontier, protectors of a world increasingly reliant on technology. So, my fellow traveler, if you dare to venture into the abyss, if you yearn to challenge everything you thought you knew about our digital existence, then Devil's hacking channel awaits you. Enter their realm, embrace the enigma, and together, let us unlock the true power of the digital realm. Devil's tutorials will empower your mind. Their community will ignite your soul, and their vision will forever change the way you perceive the digital world. Prepare yourself, for on this journey, we shall become the architects of a new era, a world where we understand and harness the potent force that that is hacking. The shadows are calling. Will you heed the summons and embrace the power of Devil, the enigmatic hacking channel? Subscribe now and embark on the adventure that awaits you. Remember, in this realm, curiosity is the key, and knowledge is its own reward.